Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a GPS tracking solution. This is the Carlock Portable. Let's go ahead and check it out. So if you're looking at a portable solution that's going to allow you not only to track your car, but also you can put it in your luggage, track any device that you have, then you'll want to check out this video from Carlock. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, we had reviewed a previous version of the Carlock solution, but this required to be plugged into your vehicle in order to work. This solution is 100% wire-free. It requires no power. Everything is self-contained in this little brick here. Let's take a look at the features and let's see why you may want to consider this, not just to track your car, but to track any personal item you have that you want to keep secure. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a close look at the features here. So this is a tracking system, right? This is a tracking system that not only could be used to track your car, but it could be used to track any kind of asset you have. So this is something that you can use to track a trailer, tools, equipment, luggage, children, whatever you'd like to follow up on and make sure that you know where it's at. It is self-contained, so it does have a rechargeable battery. It also has several different features in an app that we're going to be able to look at. They're going to allow us to track and see what's going on or in where the device is. And then also it has great battery life. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the tracker. So this is what the tracker would look like. You'll notice that it's relatively small. It will last up to 14 days on a single charge. It does have a SIM chip in it, so it does have a cellular SIM, and it does require a subscription. It does also use GPS. It has this button here that could be used to send an SOS message. And what will happen is, as this is in your car, in your purse, in your luggage, as motion is detected, it will notify you. So there is an app, and the app will give you some alerts, and we're going to see some of the things of what an app will do. But it literally is going to show a Google-like map and then have all of the activity being monitored by the device. Now, in addition to having such a slim device that is, again, rechargeable with the included micro USB cable, and it also includes a power brick, you also can get one of these cases. Now, this case is a magnetic case. This is a really heavy-duty case. So what you could do is use this to connect this to either some type of equipment that you have. It could be a trailer. It could be an RV. Whatever you connect this to, it has these industrial-type magnets that are really strong. It's going to go in place, and it's not going to fall off. And also, as we take a look at the seal here, you'll notice that it's a rubberized seal, which means that this is a waterproof case. So this is going to be able to keep your device secure. It's going to keep it connected to that vehicle, undercarriage, or wherever you place this, and you're going to be able to see where the whereabouts of that device is through this product. Now, it takes a couple hours to do a full charge, but then again, you get 14 days of tracking with every charge. Alright, so here's the product on Amazon, and I'll also include a link to their website, but you can pick up this product for $99.95, and for just $9.60 a month, you're going to be able to track where your vehicle is. Let me show you what the application looks like. Now, this product, I've had it with me. I actually had it in my backpack while I was walking around San Francisco. So this is kind of like the tracking area that I went through. But what you're going to be able to see is full activity, your whereabouts tracked, regardless of the city that you're in. We're going to go into a demo site now so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so now this is the Carlock's demo website, and a couple things that are going on here. So obviously you can see that there is a car. You can see actually the speed. As we pan over here, what you'll find is you'll have several features and options that you can work with. You'll have a little notification indicating that the vehicle is being tracked or it's in follow mode. Here you have the driving score, so this is letting you know, again, how well. This is great for if you have student drivers or younger children that you want to keep a track of and how they're driving. You could also look at the activity. So here you have month. If I go to the previous month, you can choose a date range, and it's going to basically show you all the activity in this area. You can click on it, and it's going to adjust on the screen. You also have the ability to set up some notifications. So if you had any notifications, we'll see if there's anything here in the previous months, it's going to notify you. In my case, the notifications are about movement. So I put it in my backpack, and I just wanted to see if somebody would move my backpack. I had it on a chair. Every single time the chair was rotated and it moved, the backpack the system noticed that, and it sent the communication to me. So this is great if you want to have luggage and put it on a plane, and you want to make sure that you always keep track of your luggage. The app will be able to do that as long as it's inside of the your bag or your luggage. Here you can customize the type of vehicle that you're going to be using, and also what kind of push notifications you'd like to receive as well. Now I do have the app installed here on the phone, and you'll notice here that it picked up a couple of movements. So every single time the unit gets moved, it's going to pick up that that there was some kind of movement or that something was detected. So say like vibration detected. So it's going to keep track of everything that's going on. And again, given the fact that it's so portable and that it's rechargeable, it makes it a really easy solution for you to have as you're trying to track either a personal device, again, any kind of equipment, or even keeping track of your kids as they're in their first years of driving. Now the app, in addition to having the GPS tracking capabilities that we saw on the desktop, also tells you what your battery life is. So I turn this on. Here's the distance that I've traveled with it on for this session. I also then have all the vibrations that have been detected, right? And again, it's letting me know that it had detected vibration because I was moving it around. You have over here where you have timer lock and scheduler locks. So once again, you can do some advanced scheduling if you like. And here you're getting all your information around your scheduling. So you can see what your notifications are going to be. That you have notifications for call disabled, SMS, harsh driving, speed limit if it's exceed, also what your units are. Alright guys, so that concludes our review of the Carlock solution. Again, it's a portable GPS solution that's going to track your vehicle, your luggage, whatever equipment that you have this on. It's going to give you 24-hour coverage for it. 14 days battery life, and you could also get this optional waterproof case that you can use to store or attach this to any kind of metal containers or vehicles. So if you have any comments or questions, guys, about the Carlock, leave it in the comment area below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.